Hello, first grade artists. So today we are going to be adding our third secondary color. So there's my purple, because the first day for the lesson, I used my red and yellow to create my orange sky background. And then in my hot air balloon, I used my primary color blue and yellow to create the secondary color green. Now I'm using my purple. So you can see I'm folding my purple in half to create a smaller shape. You could just draw a basket for your hot air balloon. I started to do that too once I got my piece of paper smaller, and I'm trying to make a trapezoid shape. So you can see I'm making it a little bit wider at the top and smaller at the bottom. When I put my trapezoid shape on my hot air balloon though, I kind of was testing out my hot air balloon and I drew on my paper, and then my purple square didn't really cover up my drawing. So I decided to try again because I'm human and I make mistakes and I can always learn from my mistakes. So I decided to make it a little bit bigger. So here I go trying to make it again. Then I glued it down. After I glued it down, I started to use my secondary colors to draw some patterns on my basket with my crayons. Go ahead and try this. You don't have to do my pattern. Come up with your own pattern that you want to create. Make sure your basket is glued on, and then you can see those black lines that I drew when I was testing out my idea for my project. You're going to want to connect your hot air balloon to your basket in some way too, maybe similar to mine, or come up with your own idea. I'm also adding the fire or flame. So the fire is what helps our hot air balloon float into the sky. So I'm mixing some warm colors, some red, oranges, and yellows to create that part of my hot air balloon. When I was creating my last final steps for my hot air balloon today, I realized my hot air balloon, my green balloon part, was missing, so I had to create another one. And that's okay, but for this video, it was still wet for me, so I wasn't able to do the last step, but I want you to do it. So on my hot air balloon, with my blue and yellow mixed together, making my secondary color green, I want you to use your secondary colors and create a fun pattern or design on your hot air balloon, whatever you want to draw. Add some fun details and lines. Think about the balloons that we have in Indianola. I hope you have so much fun with these final steps and that you complete your project. Remember, this project is all about those secondary colors that we create with our primary colors, and it's also about having a growth mindset and chasing our artistic dreams and just our dreams in general. We can learn new things. We are strong, awesome students. Good job, first graders. I can't wait to see what you create.